Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Sammy is here today. There he is. It's a bit of a last minute organising day today. So I've just kind of realised that Christmas is a week away. No, it's less than a week away now. I can't even think about it. So this is going to be probably one of the last working days that we have. We have our Christmas party tomorrow. I Covet the team Christmas dinner, which I'm very excited about. We do that every year. But today is a normal working day and we've got quite a lot to do. We've just unpackaged some things, which I'm going to show you in a second because there's actually a couple of really cool bits that I wanted to share with you. Let me sit down here. My arms are killing me. I went to a spin class yesterday where it was like a weights one, so you do a track of spin and then a track of weights, and it was a tough one. So my arms are very, very weak right now. But yeah, so today really needs to be an organisation day. I say this for myself more than anything, because it's just got to that time of year where the house is a bit of a mess, everything is in disarray, and when you go away for Christmas you kind of want to come back to like a nice, tidy, organised place. So I'm just going to organise anything I can get my hands on basically today. I'm going to do as many loads of washing as I can. I actually put on one like 7 o'clock this morning, so I'm on my second load right now, and just kind of get everything sorted and set. I'm also waiting in today for some Christmas presents. I went a little bit ham online over the past few days and I'm waiting for parcels and parcels to come. So hopefully they do come today and I can get those all wrapped up. I actually want to show you guys when it comes the wrapping that I bought, because I only found out this year that wrapping paper is not recyclable, which seems like the biggest waste of paper there ever has been, seeing as, you know, pretty much wrapping paper gets gone through so quickly, and you usually wrap your presents on Christmas Eve and then they get opened the next day and everything gets thrown away. So I've ordered some recyclable like brown paper. I'm going to make it look quite festive and Christmassy, and I've got some little stamps too. So if that comes, I'm going to show you what my plan is. So yes, that is what today is going to be. Some tidying, some sorting, mainly sorting my life out, and hopefully we can have a nice chilled Christmassy day tomorrow. So we've just been unpacking some bits from the P.O. box. I am so excited by these. They're Christmas crackers from Clarins, and I don't think you can actually buy these, but they've sent them to me before and they are the most gorgeous, beautiful things. Just thank you so much, Clarins, for these. They have like little beauty gifts inside them, and they are like the most luxurious, amazing Christmas crackers. So I'm so excited and very thankful to have been sent those this year. I also have been sent this from Glossier, which is so cool. As you know, I'm pretty much like a Glossier super fan at this point. And this is their skincare edit, which is kind of like a little gift set they've done for Christmas. It's so well designed. This packaging is all cardboard and it's like vacuum formed to the shape of the products. I am gonna put you down here. That's safe. There we go. So the packaging, amazing. It opens at the top there with this little elasticated band, and then if I can do this without everything falling out, so this folds down and everything is sitting in there. Whoops. Hey. How cute. I think that's such an amazing approach to packaging. I mean, especially with gift sets and things, it tends to come with so much plastic, and I feel like Glossier have been pulled up recently on their plastic consumption, seeing as, you know, you get that pink pouch with every single order. So I think this is a really great way to go, and these are actually just adorable. You can't beat many products, especially Glossier ones. Look at these tiny, tiny little balm.coms. They are so cute. So there's that in there. There's a little Future Dew, which I recently just started using. This is amazing for dewy skin. There is a super in here, one of the super serums, and a little moisturizing rich moisturizer, which is one of my favorites. Also, this is going to be super handy because it's got a little milky jelly cleanser, perfect for traveling when you're going away at Christmas time. And then this, I think this is a headband. Oh yeah, look at that. Cool. such a good idea for a Christmas gift for someone that loves Glossier, and also just a gift for yourself as well. Christmas is the time to give and give to you. And then the last thing I wanted to show you, I've got some bits here from the Abnormal Beauty Company, which is DECIEM. So they make the Ordinary, which you guys know is one of my favorite brands. I've tried quite a few things from them before, but it's always nice to try some different bits that I haven't used. This is the salicylic acid mask, and also the squalene, is it squalene or squalene cleanser, which I've actually heard a lot of things about. This is supposed to be a magic ingredient. I love this brand so much because it's so affordable, and the ingredients, they really don't skimp on. They're actually some really great core ingredients with like no frills and no fuss, and for a really affordable price. They've also sent me some stuff from Niod, which I've never tried before, which is another one of their brands. So what do we have here? Copper Amino Isolate Lipid 1%. So thank you to The Ordinary and to DECIEM for sending those out. I'm very much looking forward to trying them. So I don't know if I've actually shown you guys really in here in this room or what it looks like now. If you saw the first kind of like moving vlog I made, I gave you a little tour of this room and it had clouds on the wall. There was like wallpaper with clouds on it. So that's been fixed. This is kind of the box room of the house, so I don't really come in here much to vlog. It's quite small and a little bit dark as well, but it's kind of like our clothes and shoes storage room, which basically translates into the dumping ground. And that is definitely what it has become now. So this is one of the main things that I wanted to tackle today. As you can see, we have quite a lot of shoes either side of me. This is kind of like split up into my shoes and Joe's shoes, although I think I've kind of taken over this one a little bit. But everything is quite disorganized and also not particularly seasonally appropriate. I've got a lot of sandals here, so I want to kind of move those around and mix them up. And I should have done that a long time ago, but I just haven't really been able to get into this room. As you can see, it's a little bit chock full at the moment. It was worse. This kind of just turned into like a big massive pile of things. So I actually got one of these rails recently. You can't really see it because it's covered by coats, and I've been kind of using this mainly for like outerwear and things like that, but it's kind of turned into, again, like a dumping ground. So there's all sorts of bits on here that maybe shouldn't, so I'm going to go through that. Yeah, like I said, sort out some of these shoes. I don't really have anywhere to really store my bags. I was thinking about doing some shelves here on the wall, or shelves here on this wall, but I ended up putting the big mirror in here. So now they're kind of just a little bit homeless and they need somewhere to go. I also really need to deal with this because this is kind of where I get ready in the morning. This is my little West Elm desk, which used to be my actual office desk until I upgraded it. It's quite a handy one for like makeup and stuff because it's got this good little drawer in it. But yes, as you can probably tell, I haven't been able to get ready or do anything here because it's a complete mess. I think I'm gonna kind of come back to this a little bit more in the new year when I have some more time and really think about what I want to keep and what I want to donate or sell, things like that, and maybe streamline a little bit, especially with this over here. I think some of the coats can probably be reduced a little bit, but for now I'm just going to kind of tidy and organise as much as I can. Flash forward a couple of hours, maybe 3 or 4, with a lunch break in between, and I finally finished this room. I'm going to show you how it looks because I think it's an improvement for sure, although it may not look that different. I've actually just gotten ready because I'm going into the city to meet some friends for drinks. I'm going to meet up with Joe there as well. So I've actually just got like a full Everlane outfit on. If you've seen my Everlane haul video, this is pretty much like the whole thing put together, and I'm loving this outfit. It's kind of just white jeans, like a black grey top, and then a black blazer with this scarf over the top as well. So I really like that. And I've got my Sophie Horn bag, of course, that is coming with me wherever I go these days. So this room is now looking a lot tidier. You can see the floor, which I think is definitely an achievement. So now we have a little bit more organisation along here. I've kind of put blazers and then jackets, coats, trenches, all together. I've also got some denim and some trousers on here, which maybe don't need to stay there because they're kind of just taking up space, but that will do for now. I don't think that looks too bad. I've cleared out everything from underneath. The shoes are a bit more organised. I've kind of, this is the messy part, just chucked some bags up there. Same on this side as well, but they're out of the way for now. Shoes, yeah, organised, all in order. They're the ones I'm wearing today. And up here as well is definitely an improvement, and all Joe's shoes are organised at the bottom there as well. And my desk, I can actually see desk now, which is great. So I can get back to getting ready here in the mornings. That's just my gym bag there on the door. And everything is where it should be, in its place. I still need to kind of go through my makeup because that is definitely not as organised as it should be. And I do have this basket down here, which is where I keep all my hair products and heat tools and things like that, which, you know, it serves a purpose and it does alright. I don't think it needs too much decluttering, but everything is in there. And that is it. This very small box room feels just a little bit less small now. So yeah, I really need to go. I'm probably not going to vlog too much, if anything, tonight, but I will see you guys again tomorrow for sure. So it's the next day. The morning, or this morning, didn't quite go as planned. We're in a little bit of a state of rush, which is not quite what I was hoping for today. I thought we would be able to get everything done and just take things very easy, but that is not the case. I am searching for some concealer, which seems to have completely avoided me. There it is. Yeah, so today we went out to shoot and it rained. I got totally drenched, so I'm just touching my makeup up a little bit now, ready for the Christmas dinner today, which we're okay, we're not quite late yet, but we're heading out to now. I wanted to do something a little bit sparkly and special for my makeup, but I don't think we're out of time, so I'm just gonna touch up what is there already. So yeah, this morning I shot some photos of something that I have coming up, which is the very last shoot of the year, which is quite exciting. Maybe not of the year, but it almost feels like Christmas is the end of the year. I know there's like a whole week after it, but it does almost feel like, I don't know, once you get to the 25th of December, that's the end. I'm going to try and do some eyeliner now, in the quickest possible time I can. This is the eyeliner I wore yesterday as well. It's the Glossier Flick. Pro tip, where did Flick come from? I think that's what their brow product's called. And it's so easy. Normally I would not attempt to brush my eyeliner like this with any other product, but this one is just so good. It's a felt tip one, and I always find they're kind of like the most foolproof, and for me this one just works. I actually fell asleep on the way back from where I was shooting, only for about 5 to 10 minutes I think, and I did not realise how tired I was. This morning we had a little bit of a mini drama. There was a power cut last night, but nobody realised, so alarms didn't go off, there was no hot water, Joe had to go to the gym to have a shower, so that was a little bit stressful. I also couldn't work because my laptop is just old and dead and, you know, on its very last legs, and only works when it's plugged into the mains. So what I needed to do kind of got pushed back, but that's fine. I'm going to go and quickly upload something now, which is my main job for today now that we have power again. A little bit of lipstick first. What lipstick do I have in here, if any? I kind of wanted to do a red lip, but I'm about to absolutely demolish a Christmas dinner, so it's maybe not the best decision. So I think I am going to go for, there it is, my normal nude colour. Not particularly exciting, but at least you know this doesn't smudge all over your face when you're eating. There we go. My hair is a little bit of a mess, but never mind. And I'll show you my outfit as well in a second. I've just assembled a very makeshift mirror situation here, but now you can see what I'm wearing properly. So I've gone for a really simple basic outfit. I mean, we're only going out for Christmas lunch. This top is from ASOS. I think it's from a brand called Pretty Lavish. I've definitely gone for a variation of jeans and a nice top. So yeah, I like this because it's like satin. I think satin is always the way to go when it comes to like dressing up. I feel like it's got the ability to turn anything into something a bit more fancy just with the material. So this is a really nice like little high neck top with quite billowy sleeves, and I have it tucked into a pair of leather trousers. These are a little bit of a different style because they're like a wide leg, which I think is quite cool. They're high-waisted and really comfortable, but they kind of flare out towards the bottom. So these are from H&M. I also have H&M heels on. These heels, which I mentioned in my H&M video a little while back, have actually become just like the go-to evening heels for me. They are so comfortable, and they also have like a rubbery sole. There's like a tread on it, and they are the easiest things to walk in. I have no fear of slipping over when I'm wearing these, and usually when I'm wearing heels I will fall down, but that is not the case in these. They're just really nice, simple, minimal little strappy heels with a square toe. Really easy to wear, really great to pair with pretty much anything. So yeah, that is my Christmas party outfit of the year. Let's get that giraffe out of the shot, shall we? I've just gone for really simple jewellery as well. So I've got on some Topshop hoops. These are my normal earrings that will always stay there. My Daphne ring there, my daisy one, and the Majuri band ring that I have. And then I've got this chain on purely for the simple reason that I just haven't taken it off all month. It's literally stayed on my body the whole time. And this is also from Daisy London. So I'm gonna go and eat some, it's not turkey, the vegetarian equivalent, and drink and be merry.
3, 2, 1.